In this video, you will learn how to make an ACH credit payment within the employer portal of NC Suits. To begin, select the Payments main menu item, or select the Make Payment button in the Total Unpaid Taxes and Amount Due tile. Select the Make Payments icon. NC Suits navigates to the Make Payment wizard. Review the information in the Outstanding Due Summary grid. Select the Penalty and Fees hyperlink to view penalty details, if applicable. Select the ACH credit payment option from the Payment Method drop-down under the Make Payment panel. Enter the payment amount into the Payment Amount field. Click the Next button. Review the information on the Review Payment Information screen to ensure that all information is correct, then click the Submit button. NC Suits displays the payment details and addenda record on the payment confirmation screen. Copy and send the addenda record information to the bank. Your bank will send the information to the Division of Employment Security. The Division of Employment Security will post the payment using the payment confirmation number included in the addenda. Click the Close button. NC Suits navigates to the Employer Portal home screen. You will receive a notification to your account confirming the payment. This concludes the video on how to make an ACH credit payment within the Employer Portal of NC Suits. For more information on the topics presented in this video, please visit des.nc.gov/ncsuits.